Hey Mini Go World fans, and today we're going to go a whole different way. We're going to go to painting my nails. So the theme is dice. So what you will need is clear nail polish, red nail polish, and white nail polish, including a toothpick. So my mom's going to help me paint my nails. So the first step is take your red nail polish and paint both of your nails on both sides. And then let it dry. Let your nails dry for about 5 minutes. It really depends on your nail polish. Now we'll do the same pattern on the other side. Now let your nails dry. To protect your nails and so your nails dry faster, use clear nail polish. Do you see my nails? They're beautiful. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!